So here we have to count the occurrence, how many times letter A has occurred in the string, that means word, using sub, and sub means sub-procedure program. So here we're linking. Okay. So solution part, we have to declare sub function first. So declare sub-procedure, that means SUB sub, and let's say occur. You can write the familiar name, and so we are taking any A. For now, let's keep it no parameter here. So input ask string from user. So enter the string. Enter the string here. Or you can, okay, this is a string variable. We should assign this value into. So let's say $. Since this is sub-procedure, we have to use call statement. So $. Okay, so fine, this $. should be here, and end our program. So modular part here, sub occur $. Here we have to use probably have to use the mid function, because we have to extract, for example, in Nepal. So one by one character we have to extract N, S, E, P, and we have to compare with A so that we can increase the counter. For this, let's make first, let's say, yes, this can be small or capital, I mean small alphabetical or capital letters, capital alphabetical letters. So we are making is capital into small. If it is big capital, then we have to make it small. So let's say $B is equals to LCASE. LCASE means lowercase. This makes the small alphabetical letters character. So $B makes that Nepal capital all into. If it is small, it does not convert. If it is big, I mean capital, then it will convert it into small. So after that, we have to run one loop. So this is the length, for example, for let's run one loop. 1 to length means this is length means it will count the number of characters in that string. Until that string will be using that will be our upper limit, because if it's Nepal, it's 5 LEN NEPAL double string Nepal. It will give us 5, so the loop will run up to 5. By default, if we are not defining a step 1 here, then it will take a step positive 1. It will increase by 1. The loop will increase by 1. So This is first, then after we have to take out one by one character. So one by one character which functions will take out. Okay, mid function will take out. So so let's say $C is equals to MID. I will make a video for mid function in detail in another. So for now it will take three parameters. One is string itself, means $, that string is stored in $, and initial from where it should extract, we have to extract that string from. So starting point. Okay, so starting point, mid takes one is string, then another part is starting point, three parameters. Okay, and then a length of characters to be extracted, or character length. Let's just write length here. This is the length of characters to be extracted, or how many characters you are going to extract. For example, suppose AL means we are going to extract, it is starting point is A, and suppose it is, if it is the length is 2, then we have to consider A and L. If it's 3, then it goes continuously like that. So here we have to start from, by default left 1 is from left hand side. Okay, this is the position 1. So if that is the condition, then I is taking 1. So here I think we should keep I here. So one by one characters we have to extract. Therefore we keep here the length value is equals to word, that means 1. So it will be keeping. So another we have to test if $C is equals to A, small a, if that character is extracted from this string is A, then we have to create one variable, we have to increase one counter by 1, close this if and if, then close this close that loop. Next, so similarly after the value is stored in C, that the number of characters. So what we can write here is print total number of A is stored in C. So we finally close our sub procedure by writing end sub. Let's see this works or not in our program. So see, we have done these things here. Yes, so QBASIC. Okay, here, oh, we're just writing the same program. Okay, no problem. So declare sub occur $, input enter the string $, and call post occur $, and the program sub $. So C dollar equals to LCASE $, and we have run one loop from 1 to length of $. So sorry, this is B double we have supposed, and C dollar is equals to mid $, $, I comma 1. So if this $C is equals to A, then we have the counter C variable to increase so that it will count. We'll explain this part. Okay, we have not, I think, and sorry, and next, so print total number of A, here C, and sub. Fine. So this is the program. When you look at here, so see, and $s occur, $s sub cluster s, okay, $b LCASE. It's okay. I want to len, and so this part, so let's run this program. I'll explain that why we are using counter there to count the number of A. The logic behind that is, so it is executed creating the .exe file. Here in Nepal, so there is 1A, total number of A is equals to 1. Okay, here total number of A is equals to 1. Okay, you can write here message here for symbol. Okay, no problem. Then after, in Japan there are 2A, so it should be 2. Okay, the program is working fine. So just to make little bit more attractive, you can write here, it is not compulsory, it's okay. Then after this is, so why we are using this? When the C gets any character, it will compare with A. Initially C is 0. Initially C is 0. So when we are printing the value of C, it becomes 0. So when it matches the A and it founds, then the condition satisfied and the C becomes now updated value 0 plus 1, 1. So the similarly, if next time it founds, then this one and this one becomes 2. So updated value will be, so this is like counter. Okay, the final, it will, the value of counting A is accumulated in C. So finally we will have the value of C printed, that means the number of A. Thank you.